So it's baby shower day.
Oh, you're recording you.
There's my sister. And pretty much my sister. She's like my brother's sister-in-law. And then my sister-in-law. And Emerson, he's right here. He's so cute. Aunt Dada,
Yeah, hot.
can you come in?
Hot.
I'm videoing. You want to meet?
Oh, you're videoing.
This is Aunt Dada. She's the one that does all the frou-frou stuff with my mom. She's a genius.
Baby Adalynn.
So we're here to celebrate. We haven't started our party yet, but we're getting ready.
Getting ready. Emerson. No, baby.
So cute.
Better put your light on. Go with the toys.
So cute. Like a floral kitty cat theme. Because I've always gone by cat. So it's my little kitten.
where's the bluebies?
So original. And so cute.
You bring Aunt Chris the bluebies?
They just went all out. Look at this. There's like cat stuff everywhere. So funny. So cute. And this is going to be in her room. It's floral A. So.
Explain the blessing ring.
Oh yeah.
Blessing ring.
So we've got the blessing ring right here. And we've got little holes punched so people can write their blessings in there. And then we'll attach them to the ring. So cute. And look at how cute these cards are. So cute. And we're doing a diaper raffle, which is amazing. And the gifts are so cute. So these are the gifts for the prizes. My mom painted all of this. She's so creative. She did all of this at home from scratch with her own imagination. So cute.
I think so.
We love you already.
I really love this Santa in the car. And this is so cute. So cute. There's my Aunt Teeny. Say hi to Adalynn. And Crystal's over here again.
I'm right here.
Now we have this adorable table. We've got our name up there.
No, I didn't. Oh, okay. I was just thinking.
And this cart is full of games. It's also part of my gift from my cousin Kylie. So we have kitty cat Oreos. We have cat chow. We have goldfish, and we have a fish scoop. And we have all my little kittens from my room when I was a kid. I had cat collection. Kitty cat cupcakes. We have kitty litter granola. We have yarn balls over here. And this is just veggies. And we have little mice. We covered them up for now, but those are super cute. And then this is cotton candy, and they named this hairballs. And then we have cat-shaped tuna salad and chicken salad sandwiches. And more cupcakes. So stinking cute. And we have Kit Kats with Adelynn's name on it. And it says here, clean your paws. And so we have silverware. So cute. So cute. It's just so stinking cute. And then over here we have a punch. And this is a punch, but it looks like milk for our little milk glasses. So you can have your little milk. So cute, your kitty milk. So they did such a good job. I can't wait for everybody to get here and everything. It's going to be so fun. And we can't wait to meet our little Adalynn. Hopefully she gets to see this video, and we're super excited to celebrate her. So I'll vlog some more in a bit.
No wonder.
This is my mommy. She's so pretty. Your ears on. They're trying to make me wear kitty ears, but I didn't plan for that, and I don't want to mess my hair up. Okay, so I'm about to go look at my baby shower decorations that my family did, and I'm super excited. They want me to be surprised, so they locked me in this room for hours until it was ready. The party's not till tomorrow morning, but my aunts and my mom are they're just so extra. I can't even imagine what they've done. So we're gonna go see what they did, and we'll see.
I don't want to be in the picture.
You're fine.
Okay, let me get in position. Gotta get the mother to be.
Y'all might need to taste this in Dr. tomorrow.
I'm videoing. I don't know how to erase.
Hit the stop button.
I don't know how. She said it's recording with the red button on, but mine, it's a green button. Good.
Is she an editor?
What
She's got a YouTube channel. You just subscribe to it.
I already did.
It's so stupid.
It's stupid.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
They're open.
Are you surprised?
Look at it. Those are all my kitties, aren't they?
Yes.
Cat's little kitten.
So cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
This is adorable. That's funny. I love it.
And the hairballs.
Oh my god, these are so hilarious. We need to get close-ups of everything.
Yeah, we will tomorrow when we get it all set up.
Yeah,
we'll get
we'll
better
finish
pictures.
doing that.
Now come over here, walk over here.
Oh my god.
Walk over here, see your sign-in table.
Don't get me
Oh,
in the
don't forget the milk. These are gonna have.
Oh yeah, your little milk bottles. Gotta have milk punch in there.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, how original and adorable.
Your blessing ring. I made you a little blessing ring.
Yes.
Gonna have all your blessings on there.
That is so cute. Oh, there's little ears.
Yep, everybody's gotta wear ears.
Oh.
Now, I don't know how to stop this, so you're gonna have to stop it for me because I don't know how to do anything. No, you can't do that. No.
She already cheated.
You gotta keep them in the bag. As loud as y'all are, I did not hear the rules. Does everybody understand? How many of you have to do?
No, they're not doing it right.
All of them? All of them.
As long as they're both messing up in the same way, it'll be fine.
You're supposed to do the same color first.
You gotta do one at a time.
Oh.
Don't scratch that layer.
You can't go out of order.
Can't go out of order.
I feel like you're really yelling at me a lot.
Jeannie, they said you can't go out of order.
Orange, yellow, red.
You are disqualified. I said you have to do the purple first.
You can't
do that.
Why?
Sherry's the winner. Referee, what are you doing?
We have a bias rep.
Sorry, Judy. She can't do that either.
I thought you said you had all at one time.
Y'all are bad at explaining the game.
Y'all didn't.
Y'all are bad listeners.
Start over.
What are they doing?
You cannot put the Skittles in.
There's great grandma over there. She's our mediator.
One at a time. You can't
Of
put
the
them in
same
your
color
hand
or
and pick them
no?
all up and throw them in a thing. Okay. say one at a time and you have to go in order? Or does it matter?
You have to go in order.
So can I look in my bag and see what color I need?
No, you gotta pull one out. Look, there you go.
You gotta look your bag. It is.
You know how long this is gonna take.
We're lining up other players because we're
It's supposed to be a challenge.
Just go. It's fine.
No, we got a minute.
Hey!
Oh, I didn't know order.
If you mess up, you're out.
This is a really hard game. It's not even. It's.
I don't want to be out.
We're gonna
She's like, I'm playing.
Takes focus.
Just keep going.
Just keep going. Just keep going. Doing it. You know, go.
Thank you.
Story.
And really hard. Don't look at your bag. Sorry.
You're almost done. Just keep going.
Let's take it straight out of the bag.
If Melanie was here, just want to do it. He still has that.
He has a couple.
He doesn't really see Kristen helping last night. He was getting yelled at too. You had one job. I didn't mean to say it all time. How can you not look at your bag and put it in order? What do you do with the one that's in order?
Just put it in where you want.
Time's up.
Stop.
Maybe y'all should show us how to play.
Count your Skittles. Whoever has the most in there.
7,
Count what?
Count how many you got in your cups.
8,
Y'all still didn't do them in order because you should have the same amount in each cup.
How do you do an order?
No, you and Mom are telling them different things because Mom said they can't look at their bag.
Your bag, so how do you do it?
So you can't do it like that.
Have to keep doing it.
I'm just gonna start eating. I have 30.
She has 30 also.
We have a 30-30. So we have a tie.
Go faster!
3, 2, 1, timer.
So they have to play The Price is Right next. There we go.
You gotta beat 16.
Trust me, they're in there. I'm getting the paintings tomorrow. And then I saw someone else's.
There's 50 of them in there.
I have a method.
Yep, you gotta stand up. You have to stand up.
It's a walk for you.
Blaze. Blaze.
Whoa, Catherine's doing good. Go, Cat, go. She's doing good. You gotta do 16.
My hands are on fire.
It was hard.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Time's up. Time's up.
No 7, no 8, and no.
Cat's the winner.
Give me the 9.
Give me the 9.
It's really like, I want to change my mind.
Oh, but it's so cute. Look at that little snowman.
Let's see what you got, Cat. A video. Oh yeah, I love that one.
You snip it.
I love that.
Alright, so I have to pick the best baby to pick the winner. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
What do we get with the lotto?
That one has a little smile. This one looks like, what is this? Character from, he looks like Gumby or something.
This one's so tiny, the little belly button.
This one is a cat in a swamp. This is Bob Marley.
Look, that looks like a pizza.
So cute. And she said this looked like my ultrasound picture, which is true.
Whoever had the least.
And this is a cute little baby. Oh my gosh.
Everybody got so creative.
No one has a rattle or a balloon. This one is like 3D, like
That was adorable.
this one has all kinds of stuff going on.
I like that one.
I think this one's gonna win because it's so good. I do like this.
That looks like a robot.
Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Oh, this one, he's all wrapped up.
Looks like Jesus.
Oh my goodness. So cute. I think I have to choose this one because it's just so good. It has a bottle and everything and a diaper. This one's like decked out to the nines. So cute. There is something about this one because it has a cute little belly button. It's so cute. So little. That looks like a little turtle.
Cats? Okay. No, I do too. Totally fine. Are you saving your Play-Doh babies? I'm saving my Play-Doh babies. At least the one that won. Did you kill them all? I have been saying I'm drying them out, putting them in a box so I can show Adalynn later. Oh well, you're missing two. She has them on video. We'll save the rest. I'm saving the rest. They're all right there. I just knew she was gonna throw them out.